So we have a Ford Transit here, 2019. Gives a message in the dash: cross traffic alert disabled because of trailer attached. But there is no trailer attached. They already changed this connector with the cable from it. I don't see any little switches in there which can indicate that the trailer is connected. If we look in live data from the trailer module, we can see the trailer is connected, and what happens if we switch on the indicator? First it goes slowly, and then after a while, now it gives a warning and it starts to switch rapidly. The weird thing is, if we press the brake pedal, there's no trailer connected, and the indicator is flashing at a normal speed, and now it says no trailer attached. No trailer attached. If I release the brake, trailer connected. Cross traffic disconnected because of trailer. So that's weird. So there's a little green orange cable, trailer module and body control module, and that it says trailer tow detection. I didn't measure with the scope at the moment. I will do that a little later. But at this moment we have 6.2 volt on that orange-green connection wire. The rear lights socket is disconnected, so we only have 2 powers, a ground, 2 canvas wire and a trailer connection. So let's see what the BSI says. One moment. It's also weird if I try to communicate with the BCM. We go to trouble codes. Then the dash goes black. And sometimes the horn. Oh, there it is. There's the horn. Now it's back again. So, lost communication with light control module rear. I think that's because I have disconnected the trailer module. So I'm wondering if this is the correct description. Here we go to live data. Let's search for trailer. Trailer connected, no false. Okay. What happens if I press the brake? Nothing. Okay. That's weird. Okay, we have to invest a little bit more. So back to the trailer module problem. This is the ground connected to the positive of the trailer module. Load tested it also with a little bulb and test light, and we can see power, ground, nothing is dropping. So my conclusion is ground in this connector, no problem. Power feeds are also no problem. So let's remove those. Then, okay, so sorry for that. Okay, in the other connector we have 2 CAN bus wires, and one wire is the trailer connection wire. This is my diagram. So this is the trailer tow detection, pin number 4, green orange, and my 2 CAN bus wires. And this is the ground that we have tested and was good, and the 2 positives, no problem. And then here we have the other connection with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 wires that goes to the trailer socket. This is my CAN bus, red and blue, so that's fine. 2.5 volt going up and down, and green is my trailer connection detection, trailer tow detection. Another great feature from the Autel is we can use live data fusion. In that case you can read live data from several modules at the same time. So here we have the trailer module, the BCI. Here we can see it, BCM. And we have also the trailer module, turn indicator, trailer module, and the trailer recognition. But what we can see is the trailer connected in the TRM is yes, but trailer connected in the BCM is no. So I checked the wire between here and there was no problem with it. This weird signal is still there when we disconnect the trailer module. Let's not do it for a moment. Why not? One moment. Okay, so let's disconnect this one. Disconnected. Still have CAN bus, but still have the wrong weird signal. And now we can see in the BCM it still says no trailer attached, and the other live data isn't available anymore. At this moment I have connected a trailer control unit, and it doesn't make any difference if we connect it or disconnect it. The trailer signal stays the same. Here we can see trailer signal is still the same. So let me connect the trailer module again and show you what we found. So everything is connected. Now we have the warnings about the trailer problem. Okay, trailer module connected. Trailer module says yes, there is something connected. BCM says no, there is nothing connected. And we have the weird signal. What I found out is, let me take this one with me. If we connect something to the trailer socket, it now shows trailer module connected yes. It's not something to do with if there is connector in there. So it's not something connected in here because there is no switch in here. Because if I take this one out, so it isn't connected to my test box, the trailer module in the BSM says no. So let me show you again. So the trailer is connected, but there's nothing connected on the other side. This is my weird signal. Look, if I connect this one, so look at the BCM. Yes. And now my signal is to ground. Problem is, so that's what I think is weird, because I think, I don't know, maybe the TRM needs to see some kind of connection before it switches the signal to ground. It's weird. So I have to invest a little bit further. So still some testing on the transit. We can see battery live, battery positive is connected to the trailer socket. So that is pin number 9 coming from the fuse. If we switch on the ignition, vehicle power should come from pin number 6 to pin number 10, but you can see I already put a cross there because there's no terminal 15. Let me switch on the ignition. No, you can see the lights on, but we don't have battery. So put the indicator on, left, right, brake lights also. So every lights are working except the battery voltage coming from the TRM. So that's another clue that I'm suspecting the TRM to be faulty, because it switches on the lights. Also, when there's a trailer socket connected, it says trailer yes, and also switches the signal line to the BCM to ground. So the BCM also sees that the trailer is connected, but it doesn't give me the power to pin number 6. I will show you. So again, pin number 4, green black, is our ground. I've connected it to my little test lead. So here we have positive to the module, and also positive on this one. So now we know for sure ground is good on the module. We have 2 power feeds, and then pin number 6 on this one. One moment. Pin number 6 on this one should be sorry. So pin number 6 there should be battery voltage switched, nothing there. If we go to pin number 3, these are the backup lights. Backup lights? Just normal lights. So not the reverse, normal lights. But pin number 6, which should be power feed, isn't. So the TRM doesn't send the power to pin number 6 for the trailer module. So we have fitted a new trailer module. It's not yet programmed. We still have the weird signal, but it is a little bit, the amplitude is a little bit lower. Before it was around, sorry for the messages. Before it was above 12 volts, around 13.3. And now it's around 12 volt. But battery support is 12.8. Although the trailer module isn't configured yet, we now have the trailer connected no. Before it was showing yes all the time. And if we look at pin number 6, which was the power feed for the trailer socket, now we have power there. Before we didn't have power there. Let's see what happens if we connect the trailer module. So that's connected. We now have the power switch power to the trailer module, and it shows yes. Let's see if we can have the data fusion. I'll pause the video for one moment because I think this will take a little bit of time. Alright, there it is. I made a custom group. Okay, so the BCM isn't seeing the signal yet, so maybe we have to let's see what it does when it is configured. So this is the last footage of the transit, because everything is sorted with the new module. There's a new module. We only have in the BCM on fault code because the light switch is removed. So let's go to live data fusion, where I've made my own customer group with the values I would like to know. So we now see in the BCM, trailer not connected, and in the trailer module also not connected. Before this was always yes. So CAN bus still the same. This is my signal wire, which is a little bit above 12 volts, and switching to 1 volt. 13.3 is basic voltage. So let's connect the trailer module. So trailer module is connected. Let's start the car. Right away we can see battery fault is going to the trailer socket from pin number 6. Before it was nothing. We see that the signal is grounded by the TRM, and we now have the BCM showing yes and the trailer module showing yes. So everything's sorted with the new module. I hope you liked it. Please like, share and subscribe, and see you at my next video.